A quick review on some tosses. So the pop toss that we learned at camp, pop toss, prayer toss, whatever you want to call it, your hands come together, it comes straight down. You can make this a little bigger if you want, make it as high as you want. I'm not going to because there's a tree above me, but it just comes straight back down. Try not to move with it, and you'll catch it with your right hand on bottom and your left hand on top. Now, this next toss is called a cone toss. It's one that we'll use in the show a lot, assuming we can all get them together. It's kind of a basic toss for any color guard group. All you're going to do is start at right slam, which we learned. So your left hand will be on the cheater. This is my left hand on the cheater, right hand on the tab. Both are on the top. Now what you're going to do is make a carve in front of you. Just make a little cone. That's all it is. Remember we learned how to do the cones on top and bottom? You're just doing the bottom one and coming back here. That takes up 3 counts for this toss. So you're going to go 1, 2. Technically it takes up 2. Never mind. 1, 2. On 3 you're going to push this hand, or pull rather, your right hand into the air straight up. It's going to come straight up and it's going to release the flag. And with that you're going to push your left hand down. You push it down into the ground. So at the same time, there's a tree above me again. When you release it, it'll come back around. So I guess technically it goes, it goes around twice. So you'll see the silk go up once, then the silk go up again, and come back down. So up, up, back down. If you want to practice this without a flag first, that's okay. So you want to go to a strong right slam, palm, 2, release, 3, catch. And for the catch, you catch on count 5 with both hands. You're up in this tall position. Your hands just come around the world to catch. So this is my right hand. It's up in the air. My left hand is down. My right hand ends up down, and my left hand ends up on top. Now on count 3, you want to make sure you're pulling your hand straight up into the air, and it should look flat. And you're slamming into your left leg. You don't want to do any of this passing motion. None of this. You want it to land straight up. So again, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we'll practice that at band camp. It'd be great if everyone can learn kind of how to do it to begin with. You'll have to use a lot of your arm strength in your left arm for this to really push it down and get the spins. If it's not rotating enough times, that probably means you're not pushing it hard enough. But if it's rotating really fast but really low, then you need to lift your right hand higher.